welcome to today's video. It's probably just gonna be like a little day in the life if you watched the last vlog and have been like, well no, I guess it was really just the last video. Today is the day that we might get a new car. It'll be very exciting, so I'm gonna take you through that whole thing, update you. That's not gonna be till later. I just got done working out and literally picking up where we left off on the last vlog. So I made my smoothie, which I did switch it up today. I've been putting collagen in it. This is I've been getting a lot of questions about this too. This is a smoothie that's in my recipe ebook along with like all of the recipes that Chris and I make. It's favorites, my favorites recipe ebook. It has like the white chicken chili, the turkey chili, how we cook our meats, smoothie, breakfast stuff, just all the meals I normally make. But I've been putting collagen in the smoothie recently because I haven't been adding it to like the clear skin cocktail. I've been doing immunity instead. And I added hazelnut coffee today because I just kind of wanted to switch it up. So this is my smoothie, first meal of the day. And I'm gonna go, actually I have to leave here in like 10-15 minutes to go train my client. So I'm gonna drink this and then leave. I have you guys like propped up on a Frey box that's like the Mighty 9, I think it's called. But I still get a lot of questions about hair products I use, and I'm actually remembering to post it on Instagram today. So I figured while I remember I'd share it on here. I have literally been using the same stuff for like 10, 12, maybe even longer than that now, I'm not sure. The JOJO K-Pack Color Therapy, this is my favorite one. I've used a couple of the other JOJO ones. This one seems to leave my hair the shiniest. It is definitely like very silky, so if you're someone who styles your hair a lot, maybe this one's not the best. I would go with one of their like volumizing ones. I just let my hair air dry, so I like this a lot. I use the same shampoo and conditioner. Once again, been using this for a very long time. And it's nice, Ulta actually has like little travel ones now. So I bought those once. I mean, you can do this with any little travel thing, but I just use the big ones to refill it. I've used literally all of the different detanglers before. I have 3 of them in here as we speak. Right now, I've been using the light one. It's a 10. All of the detanglers are great. They all smell a little bit different. This one's for blondes, so this has like a little bit of a purple hint to it, purple tint to it. They all smell a little bit different. I don't use the blonde one that much. I usually rotate between these two, and it's kind of whatever my hairdresser has at the time. So I obviously wash my hair, shampoo, condition, and then I'll put detangler in right when I get out, brush it out, makes it so easy to brush. I have very thin hair, but a lot of it, so it gets tangled really quick. And then I use a volumizing spray once again because I let my hair air dry a lot. I'll show you. I shake out my hair and then I'll spray this at the roots. It looks really funny. Chris always laughs at me when I do this, but I literally shake it back and forth like that. And then I will take this and I kind of just like shake it down the middle, do along the back, and then I'll get the sides, and then I'll just like run it through my hands and style it that way. That's all I do. I did just recently get a Dyson blow dryer. I tested my mom's out for a few months before I bought my own because it's expensive. I do like it a lot. It blow dries my hair really quick. I like the little attachments it comes with. I tried one of those like blow drying curling iron deals. That was good for like styling it at the very end, but you could never, I don't think you could ever use that to blow dry your whole head from like start to finish because I think you just destroy your hair. But yeah, that's what I do. I get a lot of questions about how I keep it healthy. These are the products I use. I think it's mainly the fact that I don't do much to it. I hardly ever blow dry it, and when I do, these products all have like heat protectant in them. And then this is for like colored hair. So that's my little spiel. Once again, I've been using these products for a very long time now. I added this into the routine like maybe 8 years ago. My hairdresser started using that on my hair and I loved it. So I started getting that too, but that's it. I need to put my moisturizer on. I guess while we're talking about that, I can show you that as well. Same thing, been using it for a long time now. The Frey Tinted Moisturizer, Glow Me. This is SPF 15. They're launching a new one soon, but we'll just like, shh. I don't know if that's gonna be live by the time. They already teased it on their page, but I don't know when that's launching exactly. But they're gonna have a new Glow Me, maybe with a higher SPF, maybe not. That's literally all I do. Very simple. This is all I put on my face, like probably 9 days out of 10. Some days I'll put on mascara. If we're going on a date night, I guess I'll do my makeup, but other than that, this just like evens out my skin tone. I love it, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get back to working, and then we're going to the dealership at 5:30 when Chris gets off work. No! Love me! Say hi to the people! Hey, say hi! She's like, I don't want to. Fine. For lunch, Chris is having the crispy ranch chicken mac and cheese, and I am having the wild rice burger and parm fries. I think I'm gonna heat the fries up in the air fryer. No matter what well, I don't know, we'll see. They look delicious. So I ended up putting the burger in the air fryer as well. The fries came out absolutely perfect. Got a little crisp on there, just like I like it. So, oops, wrong way. There we go. Super excited about this one. Chris said he liked the mac and cheese a lot. He just wished he would have put some hot sauce. He said that would have like topped it off. Say bye. Yeah, wait, can you guys hear that? It goes away. It goes away after a little bit of starting it, but it's not great. That's why we're trading it in and getting a new one. You pumped?
I'm very excited.
You get a new car today too.
I'm just nervous they're gonna turn on my car like now I can't.
You guys, I bought my first car. I bought my very own first car. How freaking cool is that? I'm so excited, very proud, very thankful. Oh. Chris and I are gonna go get dinner to celebrate. But yeah, how freaking cool. She's so pretty. There's lots of room for kiddos. Ah! All right, let's go get food.
afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
These should be the samples for my meetup, yeah. Whoa! If you're coming to the meetup here in Columbus, BOWMAR was so sweet and they sent all of these samples. So I have vegan blueberry donut, hazelnut, immunity. I tried to ask for the products that I use a lot. They were out of cinnamon roll. And I got essentials. So, yay! Thank you so much. Sarah, she's the one who reached out to me and she was like, hey, what can we send? It's like, aw, thank you. We also got a new box of Fat and Weird. If I can open it. We have cookie terrestrial and nut and butt jelly. So Chris and I will try those this weekend. I realize I need to put you on a tripod, but you know what? For now, we're just gonna like make this work. I realized I didn't really talk to you guys after we were at the dealership last night. We went and got dinner. The weather was so weird yesterday. It kept like downpouring and then it was nice, downpouring, nice. So when we got done at the dealership, it was raining again. And we also got done right at 6:30. So trying to get in at a restaurant was kind of hard. We originally were gonna go to Cap City. I love their salmon. That's always where I get that same salmon dish. But yeah, we couldn't get in there, so we ended up going to Pint House. It was just okay. I feel like it's always just kind of okay there, but I had that salad and ahi tacos. Chris had wings and pizza. Yeah, then we came home, relaxed, and watched a little bit of the Olympics. But I just wanted to say thank you for all of the support. I'm doing a Q&A on, or just like a little chatty question comment box on Instagram right now. And so many of you are saying that you enjoy the YouTube videos and you can tell like I'm trying to up the quality, which I really am. Like they definitely take me longer to edit now because the more you add into them, obviously it's gonna take longer. So it's a little bit more tedious, a little bit of a learning curve for me because I'm trying so hard to get better. Rico's also really good about like if I have any questions, he helps me. If you can hear the cat scratching upstairs, I apologize. I've shared this before. Every time she goes to the bathroom, she will stay up there for like 10 minutes and she doesn't like try to actually cover up her pee or poop. She just scratches at the wall and then scratches at the floor. I'm like, okay, thanks, you did a great job. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for the support over the years and right now. Obviously, where I am, I wouldn't be where I am without you guys. And I know the more followers or subscribers I get, there's probably gonna be a little bit more negative comments I have to deal with. And sometimes that makes me think like, oh, maybe I don't want to share this because I don't want people to like interpret it the wrong way. But at the end of the day, my account has never just been fitness related. It's always been like very lifestyle. That's how I want it to stay. Those are the accounts that I like watching. So I'm gonna continue to just share my life. And I feel like those of you who know me and have been following for a while, you know my intentions, and it's never to like brag or anything like that. Like I just take you guys through my life. So hopefully you can see that. And I am, I don't know, just super appreciative of all the support over the years and the continued support where we are now. There are a lot of fun things coming up. Chris and I have been working on a lot. I've been working on a lot, some other things that I still can't share. But this fall, I should be able to talk about all of it. And hopefully one of the little things I should be able to talk about very soon, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. I just wanted to kind of talk about that. This is also super weird. I'm like literally just like hanging out on the floor right now in our kitchen. So that's it. Thank you so much for the support. Hopefully you guys are able to see my intentions and see that they're not like bad or I don't know. But anywho, I'm gonna make some food because I'm freaking hungry. What meal do you want? I don't know. I think I'm gonna have the egg roll in a bowl. We have, well, whatever, you can just come look. We went and we worked out this morning, showed you that. Very good workout. And then we went to a little coffee shop and worked for the morning. It's now 12:11. We both had smoothies. I didn't get anything at the coffee shop, I just had water. So let's eat. This is my favorite meal so far that I've had, but I still have to try the cashew chicken, which I have very high hopes for because cashew chicken is something I love in general. But this is gonna be lunch. We grilled the chicken and then air fried it a bit, which is honestly, I like it a little crispy anyway, so perfect. It is the next day. We ended up just doing those grilled chicken salads for dinner. Really good. What's the brand of that one salad? They're so much better than the rest.
Farms.
They're like so much better than the rest. They have the croutons all like smushed up, so they're just crumbs. The dressing's really good. It's a little higher calorie, but neither of us use the full dressing packet anyway.
Or the cheese.
Oh yeah, we don't use the cheese either, but so good. And yeah, then we went live on my Instagram, which was fun. We saw Chris do speed walking for the first time, which was hilarious. I was crying laughing. I'm legit. He was actually very fast, so put in a little clip from our live. That was fun. And then we watched the Olympics to cap off our night. Lots of swimming. We did get to see some track. There was hurdles. Mind-blowing watching these ladies just float over them. Like they are so seamless.
She can do that.
That was our night. Now we are on our way to a golf course. Chris is playing a full 18 holes with his brothers and his dad. Allie, his sister, and his mom and myself are just riding along in the cart for like moral support, so that'll be fun. It is actually a beautiful morning, so it looks like a good day for golf. Probably gonna end the vlog here. I will get some footage of this guy swinging. We'll see if he gets any good ones in. And yeah, that'll probably be it for the video, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll update you after they finish. See how it goes. Well, first of all, it's a mixed, what's it called?
A scramble.
A scramble.
Best ball, you want to call it. So,
I don't watch golf or pay attention, so I don't even really totally understand this.
If you don't understand it, there's 4 of us, and we all play. We're on the same team, and then so we each take a shot, and then we just play the ball of whoever hit it best, and then we all have 4 shots from there.
Yeah.
And then if there's another shot, and we'll have 4 shots from there. So, yeah. So my suckiness. Like last time I played, we played a scramble, and I think we used my shot maybe 3 times, maybe. And I think I made a putt.
Yes, we'll see. Oh, it's so pretty out here.
But we'll see. I doubt that happens again. 2 of my brothers are both pretty good. My dad he's not the best, but he's better than me, and I suck. So
we'll see how it goes.
Crackled. Snap, crackle, pop.
No pressure, Chris. They're gonna kick us out. There's no way they let us.
No, they're gonna tell us to leave.
Like, can you shut up? And they're like, wow, that's great. I'm like, mm-hmm.
Nice, man. Great work.
Logan being aggressive. Don't see that very often.
Ew.
What? The sound?
Yeah, it's no good, but look how cute they are.